A wild rumor has surfaced claiming that Samsung will postpone the launch of the S26 series. This information comes from tech maniacs and should be taken with a grain of salt. The launch could be in March 2026 instead of January. That is the rumor that has been circulating now. The company usually sticks to January launches for years now, but this will be a surprise. In any case, the report claims there is an issue with development and design which promoted Samsung to do this. It is claimed that development of S26 Ultra is done, but same cannot be said for the S26. Another piece of information that is shared that the S26 Ultra will offer a 10-bit display. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is mentioned as the chipset for S26 Ultra, while the S26 will get the Exynos 2600. The report suggests that companies' upcoming flagship phones are coming left and right. The company is expected to announce S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra, with the latest wave of reports says it will be S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, the name. Samsung decided to revert to the original naming scheme. The poor sales of S25 Edge could do something with it. Samsung wants to step back from the name, even though the sales of the S25 Plus are not that great at all. Both Exynos and Snapdragon processors will be in the mix.